Bitcoin SV value equivalent to 66,500 $25 a coin. The present exchange cost range 65.4341 66.7994. The earlier day close 65.8581. The change was plus 0.6544 plus 99%. Backwards rate us to BSV. Bitcoin SV conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at $61.30. Excessive cost $76.9, while low cost $61.30. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $67.45. Bitcoin SV cost figure toward the month's end $71.11. Change for August 16%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $71.11. Excessive cost $88.26, while low cost $71.11. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $78.24. Bitcoin SV cost figure toward the month's end $82.49. Change for September 16%. Bitcoin SV estimate for October 2024. To start with cost at $82.49. Exorbitant cost $91.80, while low cost $79.78. The found the middle value of cost $84.97. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the month's end $85.79. Change for October 4%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at $85.79. Exorbitant cost $106.49, while low cost $85.79. The found the middle value of cost $94.40. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end $99.52. Change for November 16%. Bitcoin SV gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at $99.52. Exorbitant cost $108.03, while low cost $93.89. The found the middle value of cost $160. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end $196. Change for December 4%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at $196. Exorbitant cost $125.31, while low cost $196. The found the middle value of cost $111.09. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the month's end $117.11. Change for January 16%. Bitcoin SV estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $117.11. Exorbitant cost $126.50, while low cost $109.94. The found the middle value of cost $117.94. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the month's end $118.22. Change for February 0.9%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for WARP 2025. Before all else cost at $118.22. Excessive cost $131.56, while low cost $114.34. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $121.77. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end $122.95. Change for spring 4%. Bitcoin SV conjecture for April 2025. Before all else cost at $122.95. Excessive cost $133.74, while low cost $116.94. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $124.48. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end $124.99. Change for April 7%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at $124.99. Exorbitant cost $155.14, while low cost $124.99. The found the middle value of cost $137.53. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the month's end $144.99. Change for May 16%. Bitcoin SV estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $144.99. Exorbitant cost $155.93, while low cost $135.53. The found the middle value of cost $145.55. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the month's end $145.73. Change for June 5%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $145.73. Exorbitant cost $158.81, while low cost $138.03. The found the middle value of cost $147.75. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the month's end $148.42. Change for July 8%. Bitcoin SV estimate for August 2025. To start with, cost at $148.42. Exorbitant cost $163.72, while low cost $142.30. They found the middle value of cost $151.86. Bitcoin SV cost estimate toward the month's end $153.01. Change for August 1%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at $153.01. Excessive cost $165.21, while low cost $143.59. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $154.05. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end $154.40, change for September to 9%. Bitcoin SV conjecture for October 2025. At the outset, cost at $154.40. Excessive cost $172.23, while low cost $149.69. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $159.32. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end $160.96, change for October 2%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else, cost at $160.96. Excessive cost $167.12, while low cost $145.26. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $157.38. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end $156.19, change for November 3%. Bitcoin SV conjecture for December 2025. Before all else, cost at $156.19. Excessive cost $156.19, while low cost $128.53. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $144.78. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end $138.20, change for December 5%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at $138.20. Excessive cost $144.52, while low cost $125.62. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $135.85. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the month's end $135.07, change for January 3%. Bitcoin SV conjecture for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $135.07. Excessive cost $136.18, while low cost $118.36. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $129.22. Bitcoin SV cost figure toward the month's end $127.27, change for February 8%. Bitcoin SV cost expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at $127.27. Excessive cost $127.27, while low cost $149. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $115.77. Bitcoin SV cost figured toward the month's end $108.05, change for spring 1%. Bitcoin SV estimate for April 2026. To start with, cost at $108.05. Exorbitant cost $120.